center at the back of the office.
Knees, heads, toes, knees, toes, knees, head, cut. We're down to 6 chairs. This was tougher. I need you to bring me back somebody with a Christmas sweater. Sports logo in any country, there has to be something with the sports logo. Oh, good catch. Has to be a sports logo. Ladies and gentlemen, just so that y'all understand, every sock has a whole. I need a gift card. Here we go. Down to the last. Oh, one more. Oh. Good try, man. Oh, ladies and gentlemen. All right, everybody up. Gentlemen on the end, can you put that chair right there to the side for me? Here we go. For Gift or Reader. Let's go. Good style. I like that. Okay, everybody up. Gentlemen on the end, put the chair to the side for me. Gotta go back. One chair left. There's still a chair. That was good. All right. Please stand up. Ma'am, can you please place that chair? Oh, thank you, sir. All right. Y'all ready? Here we go. Hey, who do we got? How are you going to judge? Is it by butt cheeks or? That was good. All right, stand up, please. And sir, can you move that chair from right over there to the side, please? We're down to 6.
Go, Pedro!
Oh! He's got a technique there. Okay, let's move this chair out. No? All right, let's stand up and move the chair down the floor. Come on, here we go.
Move it.
All right, once you're down, we're down to 2.
Okay.
There is a fight now. Now there is a fight.
Oh.
All right, we got the gentleman with the hat with the technique.
You did try. You did try.
Y'all ready? Okay, one on each side of that chair to start out. One on each side. Y'all ready?
You were cheating.
All right.
I'm going to go past the one that was.
Again,
Here we go. You want to be bent over? Closer you are to that cup from experience, you're gonna win. So here we go. Head, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, cup. Oh, if you have a cup, stay on. If you don't, please leave. So now, knees, head, toes, knees, shoulders, head, cup. Oh. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, knees. Head, shoulder, cup. Oh. So let's get everybody together.
Aja kaya mtembele.
I should win.